Did you know that most safety officers who stop doing real safety work never actually decide to stop? It just happens. Slowly. It starts small. A report gets softened because the timing feels wrong. A concern goes unescalated because the manager seemed stressed. A finding gets quietly dropped because last time, nobody wanted to hear it. Each decision feels reasonable in the moment. But something is shifting. And one day, without a single dramatic choice, that officer has become something different. Not a protector, an approver. They still do the inspections, still sign the permits, still attend the meetings. But the work now moves in one direction, toward whatever management wants to receive. The hardest part is that the rationalizations are good. I'm choosing my battles. I still influence more by staying than by fighting. I know how to work within the system. Maybe. Sometimes that is true, but sometimes that is just what capture sounds like from the inside. The officer who loses their integrity rarely knows the exact moment it happened. That is what makes this so dangerous.